Hello, YouTube RJ. Well, on the bench, we got a big box. Bought another device for the lab. Bought a fume extractor. I'm doing a lot more soldering now that I'm retired and working in the lab a lot, making a lot of videos. So I decided I didn't need to be breathing this stuff. So let's get in and see what she looks like. It's supposed to be fairly nice. A lot of people will say, oh, don't worry about it. You're not breathing lead. I know I'm not breathing lead. The problem is, it's not the lead I'm worried about. It's all the nasty stuff that's in the fluxes that vaporize. Not only are they really not good for you, they can give you cold symptoms like cold. They can cause sinus aggravation. They can burn your eyes, make your eyes sting. Just not good to be breathing these things. So since I'm going to be doing a lot more soldering on the bench, I bought this big mamma jamma. Now, it's not a cheap device. I think it was reasonably priced for what it is, but it should get the job done. It has carbon filters, HEPA filters, flex, captures everything, gives you clean, healthy air coming out. It comes with a whole bunch of, extra filters here. The first step filters. Gives you a couple packs of them. So I mean, we get quite a bit with it. So you can change it out often. So this is a FumeClear, and it feels good. So I'm hoping we can get it set up here to test. I'm gonna move the camera around a little. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get a better view here now that I got the enormous box out of the way. So as I said, they give you extra filters for the pre-filters. This thing's fairly beefy, metal. Looks nice. Not quite decided what where I'm going to fit it, but it is it's variable, so you can adjust how much noise you want to put up with how much evacuation you need. So here's the pre-filter on the top, and then your big filters are under that. Looks like it's pretty easy to open up and clean. Just need to put these away. Stick them over the box for the moment. And we got our power cord. We've got our instructions. Got our nozzle. Looks like we get more than one. I'll have to try these different nozzles and see which ones I like. Let's see if I can get them out of the bag. There's like a round funnel. And this one is kind of more of a rectangular shape. The rubber sticks to the plastic don't exactly want to come out easy. So here we've got a second one. As you can see, they're two different shapes. I guess depends on which one you like the most. A power cord. You need to hook that up. And I got an American power cord this time, US. So let's hook it up, see how loud it is, and see how much fumes it pulls. Volume's not too bad. It's not that, I mean, you're going to know it's running, but I've got a lot of control with that. A lot of control of how much it's pulling and how much noise it's making. Like it doesn't feel cheap. This hose, flexible bamboo hose or whatever you call it, doesn't feel cheap. Seems to be fairly stiff, like it might stay where I want it. But again, I gotta get the bag off of it. It's not 80 feet long, but it gives you a good 4 foot or so. I think I can make that work on the bench just fine. Think about doing a little work over on the left side of the bench and maybe move my monitor up, mount it on the wall, maybe some room. I'm thinking about putting it over there. Yeah, stays where you put it for the most part. Very little droop. Definitely feel the air moving. Oh yeah, you crank it up, you can feel the hair being pulled. It's coming out the bottom. Yeah, seems like it'll do the job. Give me a minute and I'll set up a soldering iron and we'll try her. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know how much you can see the smoke from this, but I'm just melting some solder so the flux makes smoke, and you see it's pulling it right in. Turn it up just a little bit, and you see it'll really start pulling it in. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not smelling anything. You can see it's just pulling that smoke right in, and coming out of the machine, I'm not smelling anything at all. Yeah, seems to be working really well. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with that. So hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll figure out where I'm going to get this in the bench, and we'll go from there. But thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.